Vinton Vaz, acting principal, Petersfield High School. Well, I came into the parking lot this morning to the sad news. When I drove in, I heard persons asking if I heard about the two students that met in an accident, and I heard teachers rushed to the scene, but I stayed back to receive the students who were coming in. Report confirmed that the two students would have died, Zakil McIntyre of Fortan and Ajani Robinson of Fort Violet. They were on the way from Darliston coming down and reaching the vicinity of the clinic in Petersfield. They trying to negotiate the corner, did not make it. They ended up on the other side in a motor vehicle coming on the opposite direction, and both lost their life. The car exploded and the driver was taken to hospital in stable condition.
When I'm a farmer, man, every day I'm out here feed up my goat. I come out like 10 o'clock, 10:30 a morning time. Yeah. Wherever them two youth here now, them will pass before me come out a morning time. But me hear people talk about them say they don't take time right. So when them scratch this man, I hear about the accident and I come out, in unfortunate, me coincidentally down dead. But you have two more we come down after 11, I go to 12, because Petersfield school in on a shift, you know. So over 12 o'clock. So you have two more we come down in 11:30. I go to 12. Them time them we out here so every day. You see when them a come, and you see them take a corner here, so when this accident happen. So sometimes I tell you, so I have to say to myself, yeah, how the youth them a ride the bike, so then two they were upon evening shift. Yeah. So the school need to know their next two of them. I don't know their name, but I up with on where them a come from. No helmet they don't have on the two of them. Them two they may tell about where they upon evening shift. Yeah. So them two they need to get caution too. Yeah, them go a Petersfield comprehensive same way, just like how them two youth go around there. No helmet. They don't wear no helmet, man. They don't wear no helmet, man. Remember say two youth in a 114 and 116, they say. Yeah. And the next two, may I tell you. So the youth them now no caution, man. The youth them just ride the bike like they no care. You understand me? And this man is what beat me so. Them dead gone, yeah. I family. Cause one of them a twin, you know. And told me see sister ball this morning, may I tell you, so me, Jano, me feel it. Me feel it. The government need to do something about this, man. The youth them on the bike, man. School youth, I allow for you ride bike go to school. My virgin is I say the parents them forget the blame. But me want to give the parents them too much blame, you know. Because them are youth nowadays, even if the parents want to try to stop them. We don't know them are youth stay nowadays. You understand me? Some of the parents them just say, sure, left them. But me know if I'm my youth, and me no want to ride a bike go to school, then can't ride it go. Then can't go. You understand me? Yeah. So boy, unfortunate what happened, it just happened, and just them have to say go, them have to just take caution. But me are telling about the next two we come down like 12:30. Them two there need to get some caution too. Yeah.
It's a very challenging time given that last week we have also lost a student who met in an accident in the Bluefields Road and also died. So we have 3 students. So it's a challenging time for us at Petersfield High School. Well, as a school, we do not condone it. They cannot park the bike on the compound or anywhere that we are aware of. Parents have been called in when we are aware, and it's so unfortunate. This one of the students' parents, the dean of discipline, would have spoken to the parents regarding the riding of bikes to school. So we are on top of it. We are never a part of something like that, a practice for students to be riding bikes. So we would not have them even park it on the compound to show that we are accommodating them. It's banned from Petersfield High School. About a couple weeks, 2 weeks ago, we also had the Island Traffic Authorities here processing students with a sensitization workshop, and the transport authorities were here talking about the same road accident and telling students how to get their learner's license, their learner's permit. They are to be back here to process it. The students are to get their documents. So we are trying to have students get the right tools to really go out and face the world. and this now happening, and they would have spoken about Westmoreland and the accidents that are happening on the bikes. And it's so unfortunate that these students are now victim of the very same things we are trying to prevent.
This video was brought to you by the limited edition Step With Your Merch collection. Get yours while stocks last. Links are in the description below.